I mean, I say big up BETV. Yeah, we're there at Liberty Park, you know, big up the whole entire fraternity. I mean, I say Saturday 25th, Daily Bird present, you know, the mountain special, natural yard vibes. Come eat the fish fry and all them something there. And we have culture-wise a pass through. Come out, come enjoy yourself, man. One time. BETV, big up yourself. One go.
You don't know naturally advice family over there out at ball field. And BETV, you don't know there. Artist Nashi there, you don't know. Whole family, you don't know. All this run as a BETV. Big artist Mosiah, you don't know, you know. Don't know a thing going on with us there, you know. Out there with there, you know. You don't know next week, Saturday, 25th, we say, you know, road, you say, you know. You don't know a thing going on. Mosiah.
The Daily Bird saying, my brother. You don't know every Saturday, you know what I mean? This Saturday, September 25th, artists and more artists, you know what I mean? Culture-wise, you know what I mean? Culture yard. You hear me? Don't miss it, you know. See? Miss it is to this it. Whoa, 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 yes. Reggae music off the play. Tell them say we hustle hard for we own. Lion in this jungle, tell your dogs fetch the bone. You hear me, Daily Bird? Big up yourself every time, see? Much love and respect. Blazing.
Man, we're in the family. I hold this over here, so Father Grams. You don't know a thing go out there, you know. Eh? Yeah, man. I hold this over here, so you don't know the real Gangoro, you know. So you don't know, you know. The family out there, you know. We are say Mountain Saturday, you know, the 25th, you know. Gangoro, say something to them, you know.
Yes, yes, Daily Bird, you know. Daily Bird. The man that fed the most bread. Gangoro, you know. Yoga teacher, vegan chef, I don't know Moors, and come out and support black people business, you know, as you could see, may the video see, brothers them, harmony, you see it, harmony, more life and strength, Daily Bird, support, as you know, you see the music at Bill a vibe, Rastafari bless. More life and strength. See there? Look back on life, you know. The artist Moses, you know. More life and strength. Blessed, my Lord. Blessed. Daily Bird. Daily Bird.
Yeah, man, I say it. I hold this my brother around here saying, BETV. I hold this my brother Kibaka, you know. Permit, you know. Kibaka permit, you know. I say big up the whole St. Anne's, you know. You don't know, you know. You think St. Thomas and St. Anne's link up, you know. You don't know a thing going on. Because you don't know a whole family and we're out there, you know. We're out there, we say, out the road with there. Ricky Road there. Oh, there's a lion, you know. Say something in a Ricky Road, the mountain sat there, you know.
Yes, everybody. Don't miss it. Daily Bread thing. Always official. Enough love. One time.
Yeah, man, I know so we're there, man. We're in the family and we're all over there, the whole clique. You see me, I say, see them youth here, when them youth here come a party, you don't know a shellings them youth here say. And them youth here say, right out.
Right. Oh, that does. You know the chip, you know the chopping, you know a Daily Bird thing, you know. We are the whole squad outside here. I run with their beat, because you don't know the thing go. A Daily Bird thing and a whole heap of thing go on. Just look out for it and wait for it. You hear that? Straight. What they are represent for the thing here. Up move. All of the promotion team likewise. They hear that? Go on do the right thing here. Cause Madras here. Up move.
Yeah, man, I don't know in the whole family and what they out there saying, I hold this, I ball, I big up the party, man, a mountain Saturday now where I say, yeah. Yeah, you say man a mic man, you can't be a mic man when you have power with you know. I'm a Sharon man, I sing, you see me? So we generally ball and stop play ball, but you don't know, like you can get all, but you don't know we're there. You see it, out the road. All that father head track, you know, you don't know him say Daily Bird road, you know. So you don't know him have to say something, you know.
Well, you know it's all about A-Tracks and you know it's all about yard vibes thing. So I have to bless up everybody. Liberty Park. Yeah. That's it, you know.
Yeah, man, you don't know a QLU, the whole Liberty Park there. You don't know. It's a lady Lara here, she there around here. She never left without, you know. She never left without, you see me? She always there with her, you see me? I say a lady Lara that, you see me? I think that oldest. So one of another family, I don't know, a whole family there, you know. Whole family, and we are say mountain Saturday, you see it? Yeah, man, we're there out here, you see me, I say. Round us a bit, BETV, big up my wife, you know, you don't know, she say, yo, daily bread rare. You don't know, mountain Saturday, look out, you don't know, Lady Denise, you don't know the thing go. We are say Lady Denise.
Big up on yourself, everybody come out and join us. Natural Yard Vibes, Mountain Saturdays. Big up on yourself, come out everyone.
Yeah, man, you don't know, you know, we are say, yo, you say later on, the party, the right round a Jordan, you don't know. Round a Grizzly Bear, you don't know, that's over there. Bring a buckle, you see me, and get a tackle. I don't know, I saw the thing going, we are say BETV are the real general there. I would there say mountain Saturday, every mountain look out for a special guest artist. You see me I say, because you don't know so we do the thing and we say more love, more life. Father Beanie, Father Juba, you don't know Shawan, whole family. Big up yourself in a DJ Burton, Sharky Super Force, you don't know. ATM Sound, you don't know, you know. Everybody Tillibeng me general anywhere there. Yeah, me baller, you don't know, yeah, me general Bushman, the whole clique, you know, whole artist fraternity, you know. Cushites, you don't know, you know. Don't know how we are say, yo, mountain Saturday, you know, just look out for it every last Saturday of the month, you know. So this Saturday, the 25th of September, just look out for it, come out, come support. Yeah, man, I just love and unity. You see me? In the community. And we are say, yo, Jamaica, St. Thomas, Yalas, you don't know Islington, Ramble, Wall Creek, Swamp Road, you don't know Newland. And we don't know we're there in a BETV, we're there, we're out here. And we say we are do the thing because a long time, you don't know. Hey man, and we say, yo, 9 Mile, Bull Beer, the whole St. Thomas, you don't know. And when we say east, we say the whole East Skin Street and the whole place. You see me I say? So big up all our family, them at Jamaica and friends them. You don't know we're there and we are going to do the thing. And we are doing it the right way. You see me I say? Yeah, man, a daily bread I tell you, say, yo, just keep love and keep unity. And that's more life. You see me I say? Nobody take Babylon trick. Just keep love and keep unity. And we are say straight. Mountain Saturdays, look out for it every last Saturday. You don't know. Next one, you don't know, the 30th October, the big one. You see me I say? Yeah, man, look out for that one there too. You don't know BETV always there. I'm always I give you the strength and the support. So we are say, yo, out the road with there, you know. And we are going to do the thing, because I saw the thing go. You see me I say, big up Father Kaya anywhere in there. Whole QLU family. Put the video up on the whole QLU family. The whole QLU family. Big them up, you don't know. Liberty United, you don't know them, say daily bread. Stay strong. Grace will be here, my general. Anyway, you just stand up, you know. Lady P, you don't know. And we are say, out the road, we are say, we there, we are going to do the thing. Because you don't know, you know. 25th of September, look out for the one that normal. Daily bread, I tell you, no, normal. The 25th of September. Look out for it. Special guest selector, DJ Burton. Just look out for the youth there. ATM, look out for the youth there. Sharky Super Force, the general. And I say, oh, I forgot the man who host the show. Hosted by my friend Killer Bo, the general. Yeah, man. You don't know, you know, Killer Bo there and I'm going to host the thing. You don't know. Whole heap of surprises and prizes. Just come out. You see me, I say, you see, in the morning, we have some breakfast soon, some callaloo and boiled banana in the morning. After the party, now go get some callaloo and boiled banana for breakfast. Yeah, man, breakfast serving. So look out for it. Look out for it, me say. Away say out the road. So just come out and support and just show the love, you know. I just love where I say, BETV, straight up, daily bread, so out.